Hazrat Zaid bin Khalid Johani reports from Hazrat Abu Talha Ansari that he said that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, "Angels do not enter the house in which there is a dog or statues." Hazrat Zaid says, hearing this hadith, I went to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and told her that he, Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu, narrated that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Angels do not enter a house wherein there is a dog or statues." Have you heard this hadith from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "No, but I narrate to you what I saw him doing. I saw that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went on a jihad. I then took a picture curtain and hung it on the door. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back and saw the curtain, I noticed that sign of displeasure on his face. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam pulled that curtain, ripped or cut it, and said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu did not command us to clothe stones and clay." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "We cut that curtain into 2 pillows and stuffed them with the bark of date palm." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not raise any objection against that. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5486.